Hi, I'm Ellery and I'm the founder of Spatula Whisk. So I kind of spent my whole paycheck when I first worked part-time on cookies. It was Mrs. Fuse. I thought I could create something similar. So we just dabbled in kitchen experiments to create cookies and started to give people and friends during festive seasons like Chinese New Year, Christmas. And then it started to pick up from there when they asked us whether they could buy our products. And I think the demand drove us to start the business. We started out as an e-commerce site because it's a low capital, and from then on maybe garnered more customers and consumers. We then moved on to a proper brick and mortar pickup store. Because I'm doing it alone, I think the starting is very difficult. So you have to do everything yourself, like the baking, I did like the accounting, I did the marketing, I did events, so basically everything you do. So now onwards we try to make the process more streamlined. We try to automate some of the manufacturing process. The accounting wise, we try to get softwares to be able to help to speed up the process rather than doing everything manually as well. The main struggle would be creating a product that would be accepted by the market. So we did flavors before like laksa and all that, which wasn't really well received by people in general. But we also did flavors that are more well received, like Gula Melaka coconut and Thai milk tea, just to name a few. So I think it's more of your experiment and market research that also helps. So you have to keep trying and trying. You have to know what the market needs, be adaptable to changes. You have to be fearless and also not be afraid of failure as well.